specific heat, Nana. Okay, look here. Specific heat. Generally, what is the meaning of specific heat? Look here now. Generally, specific heat is, this is the 1 gram of gas. Okay, Ruchit? 1 gram of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree. 1 gram of gas ni 35 నుంచి 36కి రైజ్ చేయాలి. రైజ్ చేయాలంటే మీరు ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి రుచి? హీట్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓకే, హీట్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఎందుకు హీట్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్? 1 గ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ టు రైజ్ ద టెంపరేచర్ 1 degree. This amount of heat is called specific heat. Once again I repeat now. Specific heat means amount of heat required 1 gram of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree. It is mathematically defined as specific heat denoted by S. Okay, equal to 1 by m. Look here now. Specific heat denoted by S now. S equal to 1 by m dq by dt. Look here. Formula for S nana. S equal to 1 by m dq by dt. Amount of heat required per 1 gram of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree. This is the formula for specific heat. Given gas, mass is measured grams or kg. Okay, Mari, what is the SI unit? Look here nana. Heat ki SI unit. Heat is a form of energy, so SI unit is joule. Mass ki SI unit kg. Temperature ki SI unit Kelvin. What is the SI unit of specific heat? Joule by kg Kelvin. Mari CGS unit enti sir ante, look here. CGS unit is heat is a form of energy. Heat CGS unit is calorie. Mass unit is gram. Temperature CGS unit is Celsius. This is the CGS unit of S nana. Okay, look here nana. Look here. Molar specific heat nana. Molar specific heat nana. Nana, what is the difference between specific heat and molar specific heat means? Here 1 gram of gas can be taken. In this situation 1 mole of gas is taken. Look here once again. Here molar specific heat means 1 mole of gas to rise the 1 degree. That means here some heat is required for gas. This heat is called molar specific heat. What is the molar specific heat, Ruchit? Molar specific heat means the heat required for 1 mole of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree. Okay? Molar specific heat denoted by C. Okay, C nana. Here C formula is, look here, compare 1 by n. Here mass is there, here number of moles is there. dq by dt. Look here. This is the formula for molar specific heat nana. What is the molar specific heat formula? 1 by n dq by dt. SI unit nana. Here SI unit is heat unit is joule. Heat is a form of energy. N number of moles, mole. Temperature, Kelvin. Okay. What is the SI unit of molar specific heat nana? Joule by mole Kelvin. Okay. Once again I repeat. What is the difference between specific heat and molar specific heat? Here gas can be taken in grams or kgs. Here gas can be taken in moles. That is the major difference. Ahi Krishna. మరి ఇప్పుడు నాకున్న ఇంకొక డౌట్ అడుగుతా చూడండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ని ఏ లెటర్తో డినోట్ చేసాం? ఎస్. మోలార్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ని ఏ లెటర్తో డినోట్ చేసాం? సి. ఫోన్ ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్నాను. ఇదేమో 1 గ్రాము, ఇదేమో 1 మోల్. అహి లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న. లుక్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే నాన్న ఇది 1 గ్రాము, ఇదేంటి నాన్న 1 మోల్. దాంతోపాటు నాన్న కొన్ని సమ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ దిస్ ఆల్సో డినోటెడ్ బై స్మాల్ సి, దిస్ డినోటెడ్ బై క్యాపిటల్ సి. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్ నాన్న. In some textbooks denoted general specific heat denoted by small c, molar specific heat denoted by capital C. But I denominate clearly demonstrate 100% this will be denoted by capital S, this will be denoted by capital C. Small c వద్దు ఏమొద్దు, ఎందుకంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. సి అనేది రాసేటప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. కాబట్టి గ్రామ్స్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎస్ తీసుకోండి, మోల్స్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు సి తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్. రాసుకునే వాళ్ళు రాసుకోండి. స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ నాన్న. మోలార్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్స్ హ్యావ్ 2 types నాన్న. One is CV, other one is CP. Okay? Look here నాన్న. First one is CV, second one is CP. Molar specific heat at a constant volume. Once again I repeat, CV called as molar specific heat at a constant volume. That means here volume kept constant. Look here Nana. CV means volume is constant. That means here once again I repeat Nana. CV means volume is constant. In this situation 1 mole of gas to rise the 1 degree Celsius, amount of heat required, this amount of heat is called CV. Once again I repeat Nana. Amount of heat required 1 mole of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree at a constant volume. This is the condition. At a constant volume gas is heated. This heat is called specific heat. This is denoted by CV. Here molar specific heat at a constant volume. What is the formula for CV? 1 by n. గుర్తుందా మీ కింద చెప్పాను, dq by dt. Okay? Look here now. What is the formula for CV nana? 1 by n dq by dt. What is the formula for CV? 1 by n dq by dt. Okay? This is the CV nana. Same nana. CP అంటే molar specific heat at a constant pressure. It is also defined 1 mole of gas to rise the temperature 1 degree some heat is required at a constant pressure. Here keyword in the problem, pressure must be constant. Okay, Cp formula is, look here Nana, 1 by n dq by dt. This is the formula for Cp. What is the formula for Cv? 1 by n dq by dt. What is the formula for Cp? 1 by n dq by dt. What is the difference between two? Here volume is constant. This is called molar specific heat at a constant volume. Here which will be constant, Meghalaya? Pressure is constant. This is called molar specific heat at a constant pressure. Look here now. The formula for C, 1 by n dq by dt. Here n ante number of moles, dq ante heat, dt ante temperature difference. According to this situation, what is the formula for dq? N C dt. Look here. What is the formula for Cv? Cv write as 1 by n dq by dt. Look here. Cv means molar specific heat at a constant volume. This process occurs at a constant volume. Formula for dq, look here, dq write as n Cv dt. Okay? Cp formula gurtunda ahi. Cp formula 1 by n dq by dt. Okay? What is the formula? dq equal to n Cp dt. Okay? ఎటువంటి కండిషను లేదనుకోండి. dq ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? NCDT. కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూమ్ అన్నప్పుడు హీట్కి ఫార్ములా NCVDT. కాన్స్టెంట్ ప్రెజర్ అన్నప్పుడు హీట్కి ఫార్ములా NCPDT. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ఫైండ్ relation between Cp and Cv. Look here Nana. Next Nana, find relation between Cp and Cv. What is the relation? This is very important Nana for the purpose of intermediate. Look here Nana. Okay, look here now. Cv means here volume is constant. Look here now. I take constant volume. At a constant volume, gas heated. Look here now. At a constant volume. What is the condition Nana? At constant volume, because first I discussed Cv. At a constant volume, gas taken in the cylindrical vessel Nana, providing a piston, that gas is heated Nana. Gas heated అయితే dq की formula ఇప్పుడే చెప్పా. dq formula చెప్పాలేనా? n గుర్తుందా? Cv dt, equation number 1. ఓకే, గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ హీటెడ్. మరి నెక్స్ట్ నన్ను ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఎస్టర్డే? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్? ఫస్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఈజ్ dq equal to du plus dw. Okay, what is the first law of thermodynamics again? dq equal to du plus dw. Look here, Nana. Here, what is the dq value here? Dq value is ncv dt. Here, du I don't know. Du is called internal energy. What is the work done formula in the chapter? PdV. Okay? Look here now. NCV dt equal to du plus P. dV means change in volume. V final minus V initial. Here what is the condition? Constant volume. Volume constant means initially 5, finally 5. Constant means same. 5 minus 5 cancel. 0 into anything 0. What is the final expression for du? du formula is NCV dt. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఇంటర్నల్ ఎనర్జీ ఫార్ములా అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? NCV dt. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి అందరూ. At a constant pressure. Look here now. At a constant pressure. At a constant pressure, look here, Nana. Gas is heated. At a constant pressure, gas is heated. ఎప్పుడైతే గ్యాస్ని హీట్ చేసామో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ డిక్యూ? లుక్ హియర్ నానా. గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ హీటెడ్ మీన్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ప్రెషర్. డిక్యూ ఫార్ములా NCP dt. This is equation number 3. Once again I repeat. Next condition, at a constant pressure gas is heated. What is the formula for dq? NCP dt. Again, first law of thermodynamics. What is the first law of thermodynamics? Thermodynamics formula dq equal to du plus dw. Okay? Here dq, here right, Nana. What is the equation number 3 dq? NCP dt. According to equation 2, what is the du value? NCV dt. Here write dq value NCP dt equal to, what is the du value? Write NCV dt. dv dt. Plus what is the dw? dw formula is pdv. Okay, but gas is ideal gas. What is the ideal gas equation formula? pv equal to nRT. Differentiating on both sides. Look here, Nana. Differentiating on both sides. Look here. Here heading is pressure is constant. So constant terms right outside. P. Okay. Next Ruchit. dv. Right side. N common, R common. Because N constant, R constant. nR dt. Simply call as, నానా ఇదంతా రఫ్ చేస్తున్నా, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. pdv అంటే ఏమి రాయొచ్చో చెప్తారా? pdv అంటే ఏమి రాయొచ్చు? nR dt. NCP dt equal to, look here, NCV dt. According to ideal gas equation, pdv write as nR dt. dt dt, cancel. N, what? Cancel. Finally, we get Cp equal to Cv plus capital R. Look here, Nana. What is the relation? Cp equal to Cv plus R. This is the relation between Cp and Cv. Here R is called universal gas constant. Look here, write down.